Hello everybody, this is Daryl, Passing Lane Motors, and today I'm going to take this little 64 SS Impala for a quick test drive. Take it out and let you see how good it runs. This is a 1964 SS Impala. This thing is loaded with tons of features here. We'll go over them here in just a minute. Anyway, just want to show you how beautiful the body is out here in the sun. The paint is gorgeous. Anyway, what a gorgeous car, and all original numbers matching on everything but the block number. Inside here we've got the factory tack right here. Got the factory tack on it. The dash is beautiful. The fuel gauge works. The clock doesn't work, unfortunately, and the cruise control is all in here. Horn works. Cruise control is in here. It's missing a rod, so I don't know what that is. Here's the insert in here is beautiful. It's got a gorgeous shifter in it. The dash is perfect. Here's the headliner out here in the sun. Look at these seats. These seats are beautiful. They sit great. Carpet, of course, is nice. Here's the inside of the glove box, or the console box. So let's take you for a quick ride in here. There's even the tissue dispenser. So real fast here, we'll got remote mirror over here on this side, power steering. Roll the window down so I can put the camera outside so you can kind of hear it run. It's gonna be a little hard for me here. I'm driving a 4-speed, and got a little hesitation in it. Probably just needs to be driven, but boy, once you get past that, .300 horse, 327. Whoa, brakes work great. A little touchy actually. This car has tons and tons of features. Power steering, power brakes, factory tack, tissue dispenser, dual mirrors, bucket seats, console, beautiful, what is it? Ember red paint. I'm gonna get on it a little bit here. Oh, these power brakes work good in here. It's that little hesitation I was talking about. But it's at 50 miles an hour right there. Got that little cough in it. But one more time, this is Daryl, Passing Lane Motors, 636-600-1140. It's our 1964 SS Impala. Stunningly beautiful car. Here's the back seat back here. Here's all of the headliner. Put the emergency brake on here, and let's see, the other day I couldn't get the wipers come on. They're still not, but we're going to make sure that those get fixed. The radio does play. It is an AM FM. AM FM radio works. What a gorgeous dash. Beautiful steering wheel. Door panels. Get out and show this car in the sun one more time. It's outside with the sun shining on it, guys. Just gorgeous. Anyway, one more time, this is Daryl, Passing Lane Motors. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Does have brand new exhaust on it. There's the dual rear mirrors. Here's what it sounds like back here. Beautiful lights. The lights are gorgeous on this car. So my battery's about ready to die. So one more time, Daryl, Passing Lane Motors, 636-600-1140, 64 SS Impala, Fenton, Missouri. Thanks so much. Have a great day. See you. Bye now.